Here's a quick instructional video on how to attach the Silver City Hi-Fi Degritter Filter Knob. First of all, do not overthink this. It's very simple. Take your Degritter filter, locate the slot. Take the knob, locate the raised slot, reverse slot, insert. This blue tape here reveals the adhesive. Don't pull that off yet. First of all, line up the slot with the knob, push it on, and it should seat semi-firmly. It's not designed to be the end all. Once you know it's all good to go, there's no obstructions, take it off, peel off the blue tape, just the top blue layer, discard it, find the slots, line it up. You can use your fingers and kind of guide it to get it centered. Push, and it's done. Thanks for watching.